to my channel, and if you are new here, hey, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it, and I'm so happy you're here. So for today's video, I wanted to do something light, I wanted to do something springy, and I wanted to just bring you a soft, glam, spring makeup look. So I already did my face makeup, and I did it pretty light. I used mostly cream products, and I want to do a light, soft, beautiful glam eye for spring. So if you guys want to see how to get a soft and subtle, just beautiful look for spring, then make sure you just keep on watching and we'll go ahead and get started. So to do this, I'm breaking out my original Jaclyn Hill palette. This is a tried and true. It's got beautiful colors, and it is perfect for a soft glam look. Okay, so to start out, I'm gonna dip into a transition shade. I have no idea what these shade names are. I will pop what shades I'm using up on the screen so you guys can see what I'm dipping into. So I'm just gonna start with this right in my crease and just kind of blend this out and blow it out. I want this to be soft, I want it to be neutral, and I really just want it to be a beautiful, like light kind of look. Kind of like an effortless look. Obviously, you're gonna be able to know that I have makeup on, but I want it to look like it took as little work as possible. Go ahead and bring that down to your lower lash line as well. I want to keep this as light and soft as possible, so I'm going to dip into slightly darker shades just to deepen up that crease, but I'm not going in with anything too crazy, and I'm just going to use that same brush. This is the Morphe M441. Go ahead and bring those colors down to your lower lash line as well. So that is it for the crease shades. I want to keep it nice and natural looking, neutral. I don't want to go in with anything too crazy. So now I'm just going to go in with my lid shade. I'm going to dip into a couple of colors and just apply those to my lid. I will again pop those up on the screen so you can see what I'm using. I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of setting spray so that it will stick to my eye a little better and it will just show up a little better. So now just blend out that outer corner and just make sure that it is a seamless transition. Now I'm going to pop the first shade in the palette onto my inner corner to highlight it. Also, I'm going to pop that right here on my brow bone. So that's pretty much the eye look all complete. I'm going to go in with a nude liner on my waterline just to keep my eyes nice and bright and open, because that is the whole point of this look. I really wanted it to be soft and beautiful, but still like glam. So now it's time for lashes. You can definitely skip this step, but I want to go in with something wispy and beautiful. I wear lashes all the time. This is not new for me. If you're not into lashes and you want this to just be more everyday, more wearable, you definitely can just go in with some mascara and this would still be just as beautiful. I'm going to dip into this little 5-pack of lashes I have. I'm going to dip into this pair right here. Okay, so now that the lashes are on, I think they add just a little bit of flirtiness, they add a little bit of sassiness, and they just look really good with this look. These are light, they are wispy, and they are perfect for every day. If you are like me and you wear lashes every time you wear makeup, then these are the lashes for you. So to finish this look off, I'm going to go in with a lip. This is the KKW by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Kiki. This is just a pinky nude lip. And to top this off with some gloss, because you know that I cannot go a day without wearing lip gloss, I'm going in with the MAC Cosmetics for the Frill of It lip gloss. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is the look all complete. I think that it is beautiful, it is light, it is fresh looking. I have very little face makeup on. I used a bunch of cream products. The eyes are just natural but still glam. They're soft, they're beautiful, and they're perfect for every day. If you're going to the office, if you're going to school, if you just want to wear makeup for that day, I think that this look is perfect. I think that it's beautiful, it's light, and it just goes well with everything. But that is it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, be sure and leave me a big thumbs up down below. I would really, really appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell right beside it so you can be notified every time I upload content. It is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you don't want to miss out on my videos. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.